and welcome in or welcome back. It's a Monkey Mar. Before we get into today's video, please make sure you click the like, the subscribe, and the bell for notifications. Hey guys, welcome in. I actually have a couple new updates on Millete as far as her being found. No. As far as some new ideas in the case, absolutely. And with that, guys, let's get into it. This was out on August 26th, 2021, and it says court records offer clues in search for my Millete. Volunteer search effort continues this weekend for missing Chula Vista mother of 3. So let's go ahead and check out part of this video, and then I will touch on anything that is left in the article. I want to check out the Twitter update and then the new court documents. I'm not sure if these are the same ones that I posted in my last My Millete video, but we are going to look at them real quick together. So let's go ahead and see what's new in this new update on my.
The search continues this weekend for missing Chula Vista mother Maya Millete.
It's been more than 7.5 months since she went missing from her home. As News 8's David Goffredson reports, recent court filings may offer clues as to possible search locations.
You might think not much has been happening recently in the case of Maya Millete, the missing mother from Chula Vista. But the search efforts continue. This video posted on Facebook shows four-wheel drive vehicles searching last weekend in the desert.
It was more like a search and a scout of the area, possibility. And we do plan to go back again in the next few weeks or so.
Maya's sister Maricris and her husband Richard continue to organize volunteer search teams as they wait for updates every 2 weeks from the Chula Vista Police Department. But the last 3 police updates were boilerplate copies with just updated numbers counting search warrants, tips, and interviews.
They're doing their best. That's all we could hope for.
Maricris's parents continue their battle in family court, seeking court-ordered visitation with Maya's 3 children. This recent filing in the case may offer clues as to possible search locations. It lists 9 photographs of family trips Maya and her husband Larry took in 2020. 2 of the trips were to Glamis, an area which has already been searched multiple times. Another family trip is listed to Lake Havasu over the 2020 4th of July weekend.
We stayed at, it's called the Crazy Horse camping area. It's right there by the London Bridge area. So it's a camping area.
2 trips to Lake Elsinore last year in May and October, where the family camped along the shore.
It's kind of hard to hide anything there, I would think. There's always people there fishing, people fishing and hiking constantly around the year. So I really wouldn't think somebody would want to hide evidence in that place.
Also on the list, a family day trip to Nuevo, California, where Larry went shooting, and a trip to Parker Dam on the Colorado River in June of 2020.
So let's just go over one little part that was not discussed in the video, or I might have missed it. So right here, meanwhile, Maricris's parents, Pablito and Noemi Tabalanza, continue their battle in Chula Vista family court seeking court-ordered visitation with Maya's children. I'm still not even understanding why they can't see the children. Larry, you really are a piece of crap. There still is no indication from the online case docket that Maya's husband, Larry Millete, has been served paperwork in the case. One recent filing in the case may offer clues, however, as to possible search locations for the missing mom. We're going to go over those next. So they list the photographs and the area of which the pictures were taken. We will go have a look over there. Glamis, been searched multiple times. That was the sand dunes where they took their Jeep out and stuff. Lake Havasu, I've been to Lake Havasu. My sister-in-law used to live there. I used to love skiing on the Colorado River. Lake Elsinore, kind of hard to hide anything there, I would think, said Richard Drulette. There's always people there fishing and hiking constantly around the year, so I really don't think somebody would want to hide evidence in that place. We heard him say this. So we know that Larry Millete has been named a person of interest in an ongoing criminal investigation. He has denied any involvement in his wife's disappearance. Okay. Team Amaya search volunteers will be meeting both Saturday and Sunday, which was yesterday and today, August 28th and 29th, because it is August 29th. 2:25 p.m. Eastern. The search started at 7:30 a.m. near the gated entrance to Skydive San Diego to conduct searches off Otay Lakes Road. Now, those of you that have followed my Maya Millete videos know that we have already been to Otay Lakes and we have looked in that area, and I just wish that they could find that little piece that they need to bring my Millete home and arrest that narcissistic piece of crap, Larry Millete. You know, your time is numbered, boy. So, I hope the family also wins in court and they get to see their grandchildren. And Maricris and Richard get to see their nieces and nephew, because this is just insanity. How sad does Larry have to be that not only is their child and sister-in-law missing and the aunt to their children, but you will not even let them visit the family of their missing loved one. Yeah, you know what, Larry? I hope you believe in karma, because she's coming. She will come and get you. She's going to snatch you just like the boogeyman. Let's go ahead and have a look at these court papers, and then let's go look on the map at where these areas were the last pictures that Maya obviously took and that she uploaded. Before we get into the document, let's go ahead and check out what a notice of lodging even means. So it just means that the party provided a proposed judgment to the court for review and approval. So Maya's family wants these pictures put into the case against Larry, maybe, or the case of her daughter missing. Since the document is not actually filed and made part of the official court record, nor entered, you have 10 days to object to the form of the judgment. A request for entry of judgment is a phrase typically used in connection with a default judgment, whether a default judgment by clerk or default judgment by court. Still not sure what it actually means, but that is the basic idea that I do get. They want to add these pictures into Maya's file at the court, is what I'm taking from it. Let's have a look at this document. So these are Maya's parents, her attorney. I'm going to go ahead and attach the link to this document below in the description. And I promise I will. But they're pictures that they want. And then the last one is true and correct email from petitioner's attorney to attorney representing Larry Millete's interest, dated May 17th, 2021. And the rest seem to be photographs. And then let's jump into the Chula Vista Police Department. The update on Maya Millete investigation. This was at August 25th, 2021. And of course it's so tiny that I can't even read it. Let me go ahead and save this on my desktop. Alright guys, let me open that up so I can actually read what it says, but I don't think anything has changed. I can see down here the last was Mary Millete, named person of interest in the case on 7/22/2021. Reviewed over 120 tips. These tips have come from the local community and from around the country. Most recent tips continue to include possible sightings of Mai in different areas of the country. So really, like Maricris family said, it's nothing new on the search for Mai, but her family, they are out there every weekend trying to find Mai Millete. Larry, you are going to rot in the depths of hell. And I think that's all for this update, guys. Is there anything else I can remember? I don't think so. Alright guys, drop them comments, drop them opinions. And with that, it is a wrap. I want to thank you all for coming in. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike, whichever you prefer, and subscribe. Everyone have a good day or a good night wherever you are in the world, and stay vigilant. I am out.